Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and I'm standing in front of 63 Cadillac. This thing is sweet, guys. You see all these awards it's won? Man, it's cool. It's a drop dead gorgeous car. We're gonna put it up on the lift. You're gonna check out the underside. We're gonna look under the hood. We're gonna put the top down for you. We're gonna run it at the back door. We're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your Cadillac investment. So come on up here and we'll fire it up now. So check this beauty out, man. Like I said, here's the awards it's won. We've got some gorgeous chrome on that front bumper. Gorgeous grille. Headlights look tight. Beautiful. Paint's in beautiful shape. All the emblems here look good. All the stainless here on the top of the front fender looks good. Look at that paint work. All the stainless going down the side looks good. Look at those hubcaps, man. Those babies are sharp. All the stainless around the windshield's in beautiful shape. Look at that door. See how smooth that opened up? Door jamb's nice and clean. Rubber looks good. And look at the interior on this car. The interior is beautiful. Those seats look like they're original and they are gorgeous. Back seat looks good. We got seat belts back here. All the stainless back here looks good. And that dash, look at that dash shine. Look at all the chrome on that dash. Man, is it beautiful. I love the steering wheel also. It's even got Cadillac floor mats in it, the front and the back. Straight as an arrow. All the chrome back here looks good. The lenses and the taillights look good. The chrome around the taillights looks good. I've got a 50-50 chance of opening this up. What do you guys think? Look at that, 50-50 chance I get it wrong every time. Oh, maybe I was right. Maybe I just wasn't holding my mouth right. There it goes. Look inside the trunk there. It looks brand spanking new. Just a gorgeous car, guys. Even the bottom side of the deck lid looks good. Still got the jack instructions there. Isn't that cool? Look at the gutters around the trunk here. Look how nice they're finished. All these little details are all things that I look at when we're buying these cars to see what the quality of the car is. When you look down the side of it, this thing's a country mile long and it is beautiful. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we are not consignment dealers. That means we own this Cadillac. We've spent the time and checked it out before we bought it. When they get back here to the shop, we inspect them so we can answer all your questions. Now I'm involved in the purchase of every vehicle here, so you get my stamp of approval when we park this dream in your drive. Now let's go outside and run this baby. All right, the top is electric. We've got two little flippy doos here right underneath the visors. Flip both of those, unlock the top. Switch is right down here by my left knee, and I'd never put this sucker up. It would be down all the time. Isn't that slick? Let's go for a drive. All right, let's go for a boat ride. It's Cadillac convertible time, 63 convertible. Award winner. And look, Mom, no hands. Thing is sweet. Now here at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this car anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway, no matter where you live in the world. Call Tom anytime. He answers his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. So just give him a buzz anytime and he will pick up. If you don't get him, he will call you back. Don't you worry. You don't even have to leave him a message. If you call him and he misses your call, he'll call you back. Now, we can help you with financing on this car too if you want. We've got 3 bankers we're working with. Great rates. Take it out to many, many years. You can go right on our website and there's a calculator right there on the website. You can see exactly what your payment would be. We're right outside of Detroit. We're close to the airport. So if you'd like to come visit us and check it out in person, we'd love to have you. We love it when our customers come out and visit, but we don't really get a lot of visitors at Vanguard. Most of our customers buy sight unseen. So please come on out. We'd love to meet you. We've always got new stuff coming in, between 45 and 50 new units every month. So we'd love to meet you. Come on out, check out the inventory. Just call Tom, let him know you're coming. We do have 80,000 square feet of indoor storage and over 230 vehicles. So every now and then we gotta move a couple of them and get your favorite one out of the way. So call him, let him know you're coming. You can see down here on the dash, all the chrome looks good, the speedo's working, heck, even the horn's working. Isn't that sweet? All the stock stuff here. It's got electric windows. I just rolled down all the windows. They all went down fine. Now we're about to do something you don't see anybody else in the industry do, especially with like a model like this car, a 63 Cadillac. We're gonna put this beauty up in the air so you can see just how nice the bottom side is. We're gonna pop the hood, see what's making the power. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Cadillac convertible investment. This is one sweet ride right here, guys. I guarantee you, you pull in a gas station anywhere or a car show, the chances of pulling up next to another 63 Cadillac convertible are slim and none. I just drove this over from the other warehouse too. I had about half a dozen people chasing me. They all wanted to know what year it was, when it was restored. I tell you, it is a real conversation piece. Now we're coming up on our building right here. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. So stick with us because we're gonna get it up in the air for you right now so you can check out the bottom side. Then we're gonna pop the hood and take a look at that power plant. All right, we're underneath this 63 Cadillac. This baby's won awards all over the country and you can tell why. Look at that. That's original metal right there. Floorboards, drop downs, bottom side of the quarter looks original. Now, gas tank's brand new, exhaust system's brand new. It's got the stock gear and the stock rear end housing. Now my guys will pull the brakes all apart, make sure they're in good working order. You can see this frame looks like it'd hold up a bridge, man. That thing is amazing. Look at this. It's got this big old X frame in it. Back sides of the rockers are all original. The pinch weld's original. Bottom side of the rockers look good. These floorboards, solid as a rock, and they're looking beautiful. And look at the paintwork on this frame. It's amazing. Of course, we've got the automatic transmission. That's the original trans that come in the car. Look at this exhaust work here. It's beautiful. All the front suspension components, the guys will check all that out. Again, they'll take the brakes apart, make sure they're in good working order. You can see the bottom side of this power plant up here is all nice and clean. Bottom side of the radiator looks good. Even the back side of the front bumper looks good. Now, all the chrome here is in beautiful shape, and there's some of those awards. National First Prize winner in 2011. And let's see, what's that one say over there? That's the Cadillac LaSalle Club since 1958. This thing is beautiful, guys. And did I mention the top goes down? Well, let's look at wheels and tires. All right, up front here, we got some wides. These things are 235/70 15s. And again, look at that chrome. Looks like I'm about due for a haircut too. Let's check the rear. All right, out back here, again, same size tire, and look at these hubcaps. All 4 of these hubcaps are in beautiful shape. That hubcap is almost as old as me, and it is gorgeous. Now, it's got fender skirts. You can pull that off. You're gonna clean up them white walls. I used to have to do that all the time. Dad'd make me pull those off and scrub these old white walls, keep them nice and white. Well, let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got this 390 power here Cadillac belt. I tell you, when I was a kid, we had a 55 Ford pickup truck that had a Cadillac 390 in it, and it just ran amazing. Really, really good motor here, guys. Everything looks factory correct under here. All the wiring looks good. All the hoses look good. I mean, that's why it's got these awards out here, because this baby is correct. And she's gorgeous. It's got power steering, it's got power brakes, it's got AC on it. You're gonna love this Cadillac, guys. And did I mention again the hood, not the hood, but the top goes down? This thing's sweet, guys. She's a 63 Cadillac, she's a convertible, beautiful shape, award winner. Give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.